In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email signature in Pipedrive CRM. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, giving your emails a professional touch that enhances your brand image. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the website, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. Here you need to enter your email address and password associated with your Pipedrive account. After you've filled in your details, simply click Login again to access your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the section called Pipeline Deals. You can find this in the main navigation bar. Now look at the top right corner and you should see an account icon, typically represented by your profile picture or an avatar. Clicking on this icon will provide a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Personal Preferences to proceed. You're now in your personal settings area. Here you'll find a range of options to customize and optimize your Pipedrive experience. What we're interested in today is the Email Sync tab. Clicking on this will bring up your email settings. This is the place where we can add an email signature. You'll notice an option there titled Add Signature. Click on it and you're ready to start creating your signature. The first thing you'll need to do is name your signature. Pick a name that makes sense to you, perhaps something simple like personal signature or company email template. Once you've named your signature, it's time to get creative. You can design your signature to include your name, job title, company logo, or any other details that are essential to your communication. Remember, a good signature reflects your personal brand and professionalism, so include elements that align with your style and purpose. After you've crafted your signature just the way you like it, you're almost done. The final step is to click Save. By doing this, you'll ensure that your email signature is preserved and will automatically appear at the bottom of every email you send through Pipedrive. And there you have it, a polished email signature that represents you and your business. With just a few clicks, you've added a touch of professionalism to your communication in Pipedrive.